Hello children, this video class is an initiative of Shivjyoti Educational Group. I am Shravya Vyas and I gladly welcome you to my class. Today we shall be doing class 3 Social Studies, Chapter 8 Our Festivals, Part 2. As you know, in the previous video we had covered the different kinds of festivals celebrated in India, national days and religious festivals. In today's class, we shall be covering harvest festivals and birthdays of great people. Harvest festival. What is harvest? Harvest is the time when crops are ready for cutting and gathering. ये वो टाइम है जब क्रॉप्स रेडी होती है और उनकी कटाई की जाती है और उनको इकट्ठा करके रखा जाता है. एंड हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल्स आर दोज दैट ऑकर एट द टाइम ऑफ द मेन हार्वेस्ट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर रीजन. तो उस पर्टिकुलर रीजन के मेन हार्वेस्ट के टाइम पे हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल्स मनाया जाता है. एंड व्हाई डू वी सेलिब्रेट हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल्स? बिकॉज farmers are happy that they've got the fruits of their hard work. Farmers happy है क्योंकि उनके मेहनत का फल मिलती है उस टाइम और बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है. Harvest festivals are celebrated in all states. Just like every state, the climate is different and the soil is different. In the same way, the harvest season is also different for different states and अलग-अलग states के harvest festival का नाम अलग होता है. In today's class, we shall be covering Bihu, Pongal, Onam and Baisakhi. Now let's discuss these festivals in detail. Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. There are 3 Bihus celebrated in a year. First Bihu is celebrated in April, which is the harvest season. Second Bihu is celebrated in October, which is the Assamese New Year. And the third Bihu is celebrated in January, which is again the harvest season. And what are the main attractions of Bihu festival? You have buffalo fights, you have big bonfires, you have feasting, and you have Assamese music and dance. And young girls wearing traditional Assamese clothes perform special Bihu songs and dances. Now let's come to Pongal. Pongal is usually celebrated on January 14th or 15th. It is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu, and Pongal is prepared by cooking rice in milk and jaggery. जैसे हम खीर बनाते हैं ना दूध चावल की, वैसे दूध चावल और गुड़ की खीर को तमिलनाडु में पोंगल बोलते हैं. एंड जैसे हम रंगोली बनाते घर के सामने, उस दिन पोंगल के दिन इन तमिलनाडु पीपल ड्रॉ कोलम्स और रंगोली इन फ्रंट ऑफ देयर हाउसेस. कैटल आर वर्शिप्ड. कैटल को अच्छे से नहलाया जाता है, उनको पेंट और फ्लावर्स से डेकोरेट किया जाता है, उनको अच्छे से खिलाया पिलाया जाता है और फिर उनकी पूजा किया जाता है. And in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka, the festival is called Shankranti. जैसे हमारे यहाँ मकर संक्रांति बोलते हैं, वैसे पोंगल को in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka, it is called Shankranti. Now let's discuss Onam. Onam is usually celebrated in August or September, and it is the harvest festival of Kerala. Onam festival is called Festival of Flowers. And why is it called Festival of Flowers? Because उस दिन औरतें और बच्चे अपनी नेबरहुड में जगह जगह जाके अलग अलग कलरफुल फ्लावर्स इकट्ठा करते हैं और उन फ्लावर्स के पेटल से वो फ्लावर्स की रंगोली बनाते हैं. इसलिए इट इज कॉल्ड फेस्टिवल ऑफ फ्लावर्स. एंड banquet food of Kerala is called Onam Sadhya, and इस दिन Onam Sadhya is distributed, is made in each and every house or wherever the Onam function is held. और इस ओणम सद्या में you will find at least 12 varieties of special vegetables. You will at least find 4 types of kheers and different types of sweets. It is like a royal food for them. And what are the main attractions? You also have boat races, you have flower rangoli competition, you have a tiger, people dressed up as tigers dancing, you have lot of processions on that day, and it's a very colorful event in Kerala. Baisakhi. The harvest festival of North India is called Baisakhi, and it is usually celebrated on April 13th or 14th. But in Punjab, it is celebrated with great enthusiasm. And other than special foods in Punjab, during festivities, पंजाब में खूब नाच कूद के साथ मनाया जाता है फेस्टिवल्स. और men dance to Bhangra to the beats of dole, or women dance to Gidda. Birthdays of great people. Birthdays of great people are also celebrated as festivals here. Like we have great people like Gautam Buddha and Lord Mahavir, whose birthdays are celebrated as, like Gautam Buddha's birthday is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. It was based on his principles and teachings that Buddhism has been founded. And Lord Mahavir's birthday is celebrated as Mahavir Jayanti, and it is based on his principles and teachings that Jainism has been founded. अगर आप notice करोगे, इन दोनों में हमने dates नहीं लिखा है क्योंकि these dates are based on Indian calendar, तो इसलिए specific dates नहीं दिया है. ठीक है. गौतम बुद्धा was born on बैसाख पूर्णिमा, वो हमारे इंडियन कैलेंडर के हिसाब से है. एंड लॉर्ड महावीर was born on Chaitra Shukla Trayodashi, which is based on Indian calendar. So we don't have specific dates, we have to compare with the Indian calendar and then celebrate these days. Jawaharlal Nehru, who was born on November 14th, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day because he was very fond of children and he was a great role in playing to his child Indira Gandhi. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, whose birthday was on September 5th, is celebrated as Teachers' Day because he was an inspiring teacher to all of his students and he was also a teacher by profession. So, he is a great example to all his teachers to be a great teacher like him. The copy work of this chapter, okay. We will start with the definition of independence and langar. Independence means being free, not being controlled by other people, and langar is the common kitchen in a gurudwara where food is served to all the visitors for free. Let's proceed to the questions. Answer the following. Question 1. Why do we call India a land of festivals? India is called a land of festivals because of the celebrations of festivals throughout the year. Question 2. Why do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day because India got its independence on 15th August 1947. And question 3. What were the teachings of Gandhiji? The teachings of Gandhiji were truth and non-violence. And question 4. Name the main festivals of your state. 1. Diwali, 2. Holi, 3. Dasera, 4. Christmas, 5. Eid ul-Fitr and 6. Baisakhi. So, these are the main festivals of your state. So, thank you all for watching this video.